Imagine a world where rocks glide across deserts like ghosts, rivers flow in rainbow colors, and ancient eyes stare up from the Sahara. Our planet hides secrets that science is still unraveling, places so strange they feel like portals to another realm. Today we're counting down the 20 most mysterious natural wonders that will leave you speechless. These aren't just beautiful, they're baffling, ancient, and full of stories waiting to be told. If you love mind-blowing visuals, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We'll drop more wonders soon. Grab your virtual passport. Let's dive in, starting with number 1. Number 1. The Richat structure, the Eye of the Sahara, Mauritania. Picture this: you're an astronaut orbiting Earth, and suddenly, a giant blue and white bullseye stares back at you from the endless golden Sahara. That's the Richat structure, a nearly 40-kilometer-wide dome in Mauritania. For centuries, locals knew of the concentric rings, but the world only truly saw it from space in the 1960s. Early explorers thought it was a meteor crater, or even the lost city of Atlantis, with its rings resembling Plato's description. Geologists now say it's an ancient volcanic dome, uplifted and eroded over 100 million years, revealing layered rock like an onion peeled by wind and time. Yet mysteries linger. Why so perfectly circular? Marine fossils in the desert hint at a vanished sea. It's nature's ultimate optical illusion, a watchful eye in the sands. Number 2. The Sailing Stones of Racetrack Playa, Death Valley, USA. In California's scorching Death Valley, heavy boulders slide across a flat, cracked lake bed, leaving long, eerie trails behind them, as if invisible hands pushed them for hundreds of meters. No one witnessed the movement for decades. Hikers found stones weighing hundreds of pounds, with perfect tracks, sparking wild theories: aliens, magnetic fields, or prankster spirits. The truth, revealed in 2014, involves a rare winter magic. Thin sheets of ice form overnight, and gentle winds push the ice panels like sails, nudging the rocks at walking pace. Yet, the desert's extreme dryness makes these perfect conditions vanishingly rare. These sailing stones remind us that even in the harshest places, nature plays tricks. Blood Falls, Antarctica. From the white tongue of Taylor Glacier in Antarctica pours a crimson waterfall that looks like the ice itself is bleeding. Discovered in 1911 by geologist Griffith Taylor, it defied explanation for over a century. Was it red algae? Ancient blood? The secret lies deep below, a hypersaline lake trapped under the glacier for 1.5 million years releases iron-rich brine. When it hits oxygen, it oxidizes like rust, staining the ice blood red. This otherworldly seep also hints at extremophile microbes that could teach us about life on Mars. In the frozen silence, Blood Falls pulses like a heartbeat from Earth's hidden past. Fairy circles of the Namib Desert, Namibia. Across vast arid grasslands in Namibia, millions of perfect bare circles dot the landscape like polka dots from the gods. Some 2 to 15 meters wide, ringed by lush grass, stretching for hundreds of kilometers. Indigenous stories speak of fairies or dragon breath. Scientists debated for decades. Theories ranged from termites poisoning the soil to UFO landings. Recent studies point to self-organization. Plants fiercely competing for scarce water create these bare patches, which then act as natural reservoirs. Yet the precision and scale still feel magical. Stand among them at dawn, and you'll swear the desert is alive and whispering. The Great Blue Hole, Belize. Off the coast of Belize, a perfectly circular underwater sinkhole plunges over 300 meters into the ocean, a dark blue abyss visible from space. Formed during the last ice age when sea levels rose and a cave collapsed, it's a diver's dream and nightmare. Inside lie stalactites, sharks, and an anoxic dead zone at the bottom. Mayan legends and modern explorers revere it as a gateway. Its sheer scale and mystery draw thousands. Nature's ultimate plunge into the unknown. Six, Caño Cristales, the River of Five Colors, Colombia. In Colombia's Serranía de la Macarena, a river runs red, yellow, green, blue, and black during a brief window each year. The colors come from Macarenia clavigera plants that bloom underwater in crystal clear waters, thriving only in specific sunlight and flow. Locals call it the liquid rainbow. For centuries, it was hidden in remote jungle, protected by gorillas. Now it's a symbol of fragile beauty. Step in wrong, and the ecosystem could vanish. A river that paints itself like a living canvas. Seven, Danakil Depression, Ethiopia. Known as one of Earth's hottest, lowest, and most inhospitable places, Ethiopia's Danakil is a psychedelic hellscape of acid lakes, sulfur pools, and erupting volcanoes. Temperatures hit 50 degrees Celsius, with toxic gases everywhere. It's part of the Afar Triangle where continents rift apart. Ancient hominid fossils nearby suggest it's where humanity's story began. Dalol's colorful hydrothermal fields look like Mars or an alien planet. Few places feel more primordial. Eight, the Crooked Forest, Poland. Near Gryfino, Poland, hundreds of pine trees bend sharply at the base like question marks before growing straight upward. Planted in the 1930s, no one knows why they curve. Heavy snow, tanks during WW2, a mysterious gravitational pull. Theories abound, but the uniform J-shape in one small patch remains unexplained. Walking among them feels like entering a fairy tale forest gone wrong. Nature's quiet rebellion. Nine, Fosse Dion. In the French village of Tonnerre, a bright blue spring surges endlessly from a deep underground cave. Romans built a basin around it 2,000 years ago, yet its true source and unfailing flow have mystified people for centuries. Legends say a serpent guards its depths. Divers have explored, but never found the bottom. It's a timeless portal of pure, mysterious water. 10. Cave of the Crystals, Mexico. Deep in a Mexican mine, giant selenite crystals up to 12 meters long and 500,000 years old form a cathedral of glass. Temperatures exceed 50 degrees Celsius with 100% humidity. Deadly for humans without protection. Discovered in 2000, these translucent monsters grew in mineral-rich waters. The cave is now closed to most, preserving its alien beauty. Nature's hidden jewel box. Kava Ijen's Blue Flames, Indonesia. On Java, a volcano's sulfuric gases ignite into electric blue flames at night, while a turquoise crater lake holds the world's most acidic water. Miners harvest sulfur by hand in this toxic paradise. The glowing blue fire looks supernatural, but it's pure chemistry, a place of beauty and brutal human endurance. 12. Marble Caves, Chile. Carved by waves over 6,000 years into Patagonia's General Carrera Lake. These swirling marble caverns reflect turquoise water in hypnotic patterns. The cathedral chamber is a natural masterpiece of erosion. Accessible only by boat, it feels like floating inside a living sculpture. Socotra Island, Yemen. Often called the Galapagos of the Indian Ocean, this isolated island hosts bizarre dragon's blood trees with umbrella canopies, bottle-shaped plants, and species found nowhere else. It looks like a prehistoric or alien landscape. Separated from mainland for millions of years, its unique flora tells evolution's wildest stories. 14. Fly Geyser, Nevada, USA. A technicolor geothermal mound in the Nevada desert shoots scalding water 1.5 meters high, stained rainbow by minerals and algae. Accidentally created in the 1960s during drilling, it now belongs to nature. A man-made wonder turned mysterious beacon. 15. Zhangai Danxia Rainbow Mountains, China. Layered sandstone creates striped mountains in vivid reds, yellows and greens, like a painted landscape from a dream. Millions of years of deposition and erosion did this. Hiking here feels like walking on a living rainbow. 16. Eternal Flame Falls, New York, USA. Behind a small waterfall in Chestnut Ridge Park burns a tiny, natural gas flame. The eternal fire flickers endlessly in a hidden grotto. Ancient and mesmerizing, nature's own campfire. 17. Pamukkale's Travertine Terraces, Turkey. Snow-white mineral pools cascade down hillsides like frozen waterfalls. Hot springs have built them for millennia. Ancients bathed here, believing in healing powers. A staircase to the heavens. The Pinnacles Desert, Australia. Thousands of limestone spires rise from the sand like a stone forest. Ancient shells and wind erosion shape them over eons. Eerie at sunset, sacred to indigenous stories. Lake Hillier, Australia. This bubblegum pink lake stays vividly colored year-round thanks to algae and bacteria. Surrounded by green forest, the contrast is surreal. A natural candy land. Northern Lights, Aurora Borealis, polar regions. Dancing curtains of green, purple, and red light swirl across Arctic skies, caused by solar particles, exciting atmosphere. Ancient peoples saw gods or spirits. Mysterious, unpredictable, and utterly magical. The planet's greatest light show. Which of these blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments and tell us if you visited any. Nature is the ultimate storyteller. Like, share, subscribe for more adventures into the unknown. Until next time, keep exploring. The world is full of wonders waiting for you.